Laminating the C12S standard housing part with Coyote's offset 3-prong connector part number C53TS. Pull 1 layer of vacuum nylon. Tie it off to the anchor and cut away the excess nylon. Pull 1 layer of PVA bag. Tie it off to the anchor and cut away the excess PVA. Put compound 4 or release agent on O-rings. Run even bead of quick glue around edge of lanyard housing. Put on anchor in correct position. Remove excess glue and smooth out edge of housing. Put compound 4 on slot tooling and insert in slot. Fill any gaps with putty. Pull nylon stockinette or other material over housing and mold. Tie off to housing using indent at edge housing and reflect. Lay up as desired. 1 layer of composite with distal reinforcement. Reflect vacuum nylon over composite and pull a PVA bag for laminating. Laminate first layer. After cured, remove PVA bag. Rough first laminate with sandpaper. Prep distal end for connector. Choose connector and lamination method of choice. If you are using Coyote's 3-prong connector, refer to next 7 steps. If using 3-prong connector, remove shine and bend arms to fit distal end of socket. Wipe compound 4 on the faces of black exterior tooling. And wipe some on the threading on the large white male tooling. Place the 3-prong connector on distal end of socket, shaping it to the socket. Put quick glue or 5-minute epoxy in center of 3-prong to hold in place. Glue connector to distal end of socket. Fill gaps with quick glue. Install black screw. Any holes or cracks you don't want resin to get into, fill with putty. Reinforce with carbon tape around the sides of connector and metal arms against the composite covered cast. Pull composite halfway over the socket, depending on layup for patient. Tie the composite off to the connector. And reflect it for 2.5 layers of composite over mold. Leaving only black exterior tooling and white male tooling visible. Fill in the holes and slots with putty for easy removal. Pull, twist, and reflect vacuum nylon over cast. Pull, twist, and reflect nylon stockinette over cast. Add any exterior design material at this time and pull vacuum nylon over it. Pull PVA bag and laminate. Remove socket in traditional fashion or with socket extractor. Flatten distal end, reveal slot dummy, screw-in removal screw, and remove tooling. Finish edges. Replace black screw with stainless screw. Mark correct length. Try to leave enough strap reinforcement to aid patient in pushing through slot. Check for pre-stitching and cut the strap into a point so it helps align with the slot when being engaged. Melt the leading edge of the lanyard with a hot tool to keep it from fraying. Install the lanyard, confirming its final length.